Hi everyone, I'm Moumita and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you this look and I have created this bronzy gold eye look with red lips. So let's get started. So before starting makeup, you have to moisturize your skin pretty well and I have already done this step off camera. So starting off with the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm taking foundation on the back of my hand and I'm putting dots all over my face and neck. And with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna blend this foundation. Next, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade medium. I'm using this concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, around my lips for highlighting and brighten up these areas. And with the same beauty blender, I'm blending this concealer. For contouring, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. And I'm contouring the hollows of my cheeks. And the jawline area. And I am blending this with the same beauty blender. And I'm gonna contour my nose as well. I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer again to prime my eyelid, or I'm using this as my eyeshadow base. Then I'm using Maybelline White Superfresh Compact in the shade Shell to set my concealer. For blush, I am using Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten palette in the shade Rave, and this is the blush. For my brows, I am using Bella Voste brow liner in the shade Brunette Brown. At first I am using this fully brush. Then I am using the pencil to shape the eyebrow. Then I'm gonna fill the eyebrow in a very light stroke. And next I'm gonna use this spoolie brush again to blend the product. From the Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette, I'm taking this warm brown shade as my transition color. And always remember, whenever you are applying eyeshadow on your eyelid, please tap off the excess product to get the flawless look. And gradually I am building the intensity of the color. Then I'm using this shimmery bronzy gold shade and I'm applying this all over my lid with a flat shader brush, but it works better if I apply this eyeshadow with my fingers. Then I'm taking the shimmery dark brown shade and I'm placing this eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye. At first I'm building the color gradually and I'm creating a C shape. Then with a blending brush, I'm blending all the shades with the transition shade. Then I'm using this highlighter shade on the inner corner of my eyes. And on the brow bone area. I'm taking the same warm brown shade again to give a hint of color onto the lower lash line. For eyeliner, I am using Maybelline New York the Colossal liner in the shade black and I am creating wing liner. For Kajal, I am using Nykaa Eyem Black Kajal. And I am using Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. For highlighter, I am using the same Makeup Revolution palette. and I'm using this highlighter. So this is a golden highlighter, and I'm applying this highlighter on the highest point of my face, like cheekbones, bridge of my nose, chin area, and on the forehead. Then for lips, I'm using this red shade. This is Maybelline Colorshow Creamy Matte Lip Color in the shade Hot Chili. This is a pinkish red color. So this is the final look.
So guys, that's it. आपके रिक्वेस्ट पे मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम मेकअप वीडियो बनाया है, तो आपको प्लीज कैसा लगा प्लीज नीचे कमेंट करके बताइएगा। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन, और अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हो तो मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं मेरे सारे सोशल मीडिया लिंक्स पे, जो कि है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय।